Hello guys, your boy Samson here and welcome to this video on how you can buy my forex fund account using Binance. Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. In this video, I will walk you through the steps on how to buy my forex fund using Binance. For those of you guys who do not know my forex fund is one of the best proprietary farm industry that offers a wide range of accounts to traders, ranging from beginner traders to professional traders. And to buy an account from my forex fund, all you have to do is go to their website, which is www.myforexfund.com. I will drop the link of the website on the description down below, and also I will drop my affiliate link where you can get a 5% discount if you click on that link. So okay, after going to the website, you will go to this area here written programs, and then you will choose from these programs on the type of program that you will want to buy from the account. So my forex fund offers the rapid account, evaluation account, and the accelerated account. So you click on that, start now, and then you will be guided to this area here where you will see the different account sizes that are offered in this my forex fund proprietary. So as you can see, the accounts offered in the evaluation range from $5,000 to $300,000 account, and the price ranges from $49 to $1,389 on the $300,000 account. Before buying this account, you have to go through the my forex fund rules down here, where you can see the daily drawdown, and then you will go through the rules. After you've become satisfied with the rules, then you will select the type of account that you want. So for this video, let's go with the smallest account, which is the $5,000 account. So after clicking on that, it will guide you to this interface here. Then go to register. After clicking on register, it will guide you to this place here. Then after that, click on proceed to check out. After clicking on that, because we are going to use Binance, we will go to the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and then we'll check on these two areas here that we have read the terms and conditions, and then go to proceed to confirm all. After clicking on that, you will wait and you will be guided to this area here. So now to pay, you will choose the cryptocurrencies that you will pay with. In this account, let's use Litecoin. And then after that, you will copy this Litecoin address here, and then you go direct to your Binance account. If you're going to Binance, all you have to do is go to this area here written all, and then so now to pay for this Litecoin, you will go to this withdraw option here, and then in this area here, because you have chosen Litecoin there, you will choose Litecoin, and then you will enter the address here. So you will go to that address that you got, you copy the link, and then you go to Binance, you paste it there. You will see this message here, and then in this amount area here, you go to the amount is here, you copy, and then go back to your Binance, and then you paste the amount there. After doing so, all you have to do now is to click on withdraw, and then after clicking on withdraw, you will receive an email showing that you have already paid for the account and you will be good to go. So for those of you guys who have found value in this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop a comment down below on the type of videos that you want me to discuss with you guys in the next one. See you then. Peace.